Hi guys. I want to break down a massive misconception about the so-called top 1% in terms of men and women. Now, when we talk about the top 1%, it's a concept that stretches far beyond the realms of wealth and societal status. It's also about those rare intrinsic traits that truly set you apart in life. We're not talking about the superficial things like what's parked in your driveway or what's printed on your business card. I'm talking about the things that catapult you into the elite category. And the hard reality is those things are not equal for men and women. So what I mean is, what makes a woman top 1% and what makes a man top 1% are completely different. First, let's cut through a common illusion today. Many women believe that their high-powered careers, flashy car, big beautiful home, and other symbols of success catapult them into that top 1% category because they're bossed up. That couldn't be more wrong. What elevates a woman into the top 1% category is vastly different from what propels a man there. For men, reaching that top 1% status is closely tied to their ability to provide and protect, along with their status and notoriety. This is demonstrated through symbols like a luxury car or a successful career, which serves as proof of their inherent role as providers. On the other hand, what distinguishes a top 1% woman isn't about her professional success or her financial assets. Instead, it's her ability to provide comfort, look after her family, and embrace her natural femininity. These are aspects that align with her inherent role as a nurturer. The disparity between what makes a top 1% man and what makes a top 1% woman lies in the value traits for each gender. While society has evolved, the traits we find attractive in the opposite sex remain relatively consistent. Women generally seek a confident provider, a man who embodies stability and security. On the other hand, men are drawn to women who radiate nurturing qualities like femininity and a peaceful demeanor. This preference is not a modern construct, but a continuation of our ancestral roots. This is why you'll rarely see a true 1% woman exhibiting masculine traits or a true top 1% man showcasing feminine traits. It's about excelling in the roles historically celebrated in each gender. It's an acknowledgement of our evolutionary past where the roles of men and women were distinctly defined. I strongly believe in the importance of both genders working together, each complementing the other. The yin and yang dynamic is vital. It's about the unique and complementary qualities each gender brings to the table. It's this balance that creates a peaceful and fulfilling relationship. Now, let's address the trend of increasing independence in women. Now, independence is great, but it's essential to understand its impact on attraction dynamics. The more a woman leans into complete self-reliance and independence, the more she moves further and further away from her inherent valuable traits, and the less appealing she will become to men who value those traits. It's about finding the balance between independence and maintaining the qualities that have been traditionally valued in a partner. What truly makes a woman stand out as top 1% is not her job, not her assets, not her status. While those things are impressive, they don't necessarily add unique value to a man's life. Being a top 1% woman is about offering something beyond material success. It's about how you're able to enrich a man's life with your unique qualities that are irreplaceable and distinct. Being a top 1% woman is about embracing and amplifying these inherent qualities. It's understanding your unique role in a relationship and how you complement the traditional masculine qualities. It's not about competing on the same front as men, but about bringing something to the table that's rare, valuable, and deeply appreciated. If you're a woman watching this, understand that in your journey to being a top 1% woman, remember that it's not about what you achieve. It's about who you are, how you impact those around you, and how you embrace your inherent qualities. It's about knowing the unique traits that make you a valuable and desirable partner.
So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.